Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very, very nice move considering where it was and then where it closed. I think any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls certainly had a good day today. But that does lead to the very valid and rational question. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at 60 cents. Why is 60 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 60 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? At that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time unfolds. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 60 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. And that's right up there at the 70-cent mark. You can see here on several different occasions, the bulls try to fight up through there, but there's definitely quite a bit of price congestion right up around that area. So that's currently where the sellers are. Just focusing on one level of resistance because, in my opinion, top priority next week is not breaking levels of resistance, but going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base. Because as long as the price puts in higher bases over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice price movement today. Now things transition to the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.